Hi friends, welcome back to Science with Miss A. So we have been doing lots of work with sorting, with looking at flexibility versus rigidity. We've been looking at smoothness, we've been looking at color and shape, and even the material that these objects are made of. Well, we're continuing this way. So last week, you might have remembered you grabbed a piece of foil or paper and you just changed the shape to see what you could have made. Well, we're continuing that today with the foil. And so we're gonna look at the different properties of the foil, the shape, the color, and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. So we have my foil here, and we made all sorts of objects out of the foil. You could have made a stick, you could have made a ball or whatever, but let's look at mine. What color is this foil? Probably silver. You're probably thinking gray silver. I would say silver because it's shiny. Why is it silver? Because it's made out of aluminum foil. Is it shiny or dull? Let's take a look at it. Let's observe. Definitely shiny. Look at the way the light is bouncing off of that. Is this flexible or rigid? I think this is pretty flexible because it can take the shape of almost anything. And so if I'm right, I think this is flexible. And it's flexible because it is made out of aluminum foil. Now, is our object smooth or rough? It's definitely rough because it's made out of crinkled aluminum foil. Look at all the bumps and ridges. I can't just skate across this with my fingers. It has too many bumps and ridges going on. Now, what shape is my object? My shape isn't really a shape, as you guys can see. It's kind of like a square, but not really. So that's what we have going on here. And we all have different shapes. So you might have made your aluminum foil into a ball. You could have made it into a stick or a smaller square. It could have been all different kinds of shape. And because they're different shapes, because this is aluminum foil, it's flexible. You can mold it into whatever you want. Now, I have a ruler here and I'm gonna see how big my piece of aluminum foil is. So I'm gonna take my ruler and remember starting point and put it at the beginning. And I think it's about 9.5 inches long. So it's a pretty big sheet of paper, aluminum foil. Awesome. And you might have had a much smaller piece because aluminum foil can change in size because if you press it and you fold it all up together, it can get really small. Or if you stretch it out more, it could get really big. So that's awesome. And they're all different sizes because we all decided to make them different sizes because engineers can make different choices to make different shapes and sizes out of the same material. Now, we're gonna see if this is true with a different piece of material. Hi friends, I'm back. So we did this awesome experiment with the aluminum foil and we saw the different sizes, shapes that you might have made and I made. Now, you're gonna grab a different material in your house. It could be a piece of paper. It could be Play-Doh if you have Play-Doh, but I want you to do the same thing and ask yourself the same questions. Think about the size, the shape. Is it smooth or is it rough? Is it shiny or is it dull? What color is it? What size is it? And that is gonna help you to become an amazing investigator and engineer. So have fun and check out your assignment on Seesaw. Bye.